Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the Opportunity Compression Window. This explains why timing plus readiness create sudden financial breakthroughs. Section 1. What is an opportunity compression window? An opportunity compression window is a short time period where leverage is unusually high, risk is temporarily reduced, and rewards are disproportionate. Wealth doesn't grow evenly, it jumps in windows. Section 2. Why most people miss wealth windows. Most people are still learning when action is required, lack capital when opportunity appears, hesitate under pressure, overthink instead of execute, wait for perfect clarity. Windows don't wait for confidence. Section 3. The Opportunity Compression Window Model. The Opportunity Compression Window has 4 stages. Stage 1. Preparation phase. Learning quietly, building capital, stabilizing systems, reducing pressure. Preparation is invisible, but critical. Stage 2. Signal phase. Market shifts, price dislocations, new demand, unusual patterns. Signals are subtle, not loud. Stage 3. Execution phase. Decisive action, fast commitment, controlled risk. Hesitation kills the window. Stage 4. Consolidation phase. Lock in gains, stabilize position. Avoid greed. Wealth is protected here. Section 4. How to prepare for wealth windows. Always keep margin, cash plus time. Study cycles, not headlines. Pre-decide actions before emotion. Reduce lifestyle pressure. Act when others hesitate. Preparation converts luck into strategy. Sudden clarity, reduced competition, asymmetric upside, urgency without panic, alignment with preparation.